Did you know you can play Spotify directly on your Galaxy Watch without your phone? Whether you're heading out for a run or just want to leave your phone behind, Spotify on your Galaxy Watch will let you enjoy your favorite music on the go. In today's video, I'll show you how to install and play Spotify on your Galaxy Watch without your phone. So without any delay, let's get started. Installing Spotify on it is a very simple and straightforward process. Just go to the Play Store on your watch, search for Spotify and tap on install to download it. Now make sure that your watch is connected to your smartphone. It allows you to easily sign into your Spotify account using the data from your phone app. After that, proceed to log into your Spotify account. Now this is the media page. You'll see the media controller here. It displays the song and artist's name. From here, you can play, pause and change tracks. But there is no option to skim through the track. By tapping on this add button, you can add the current song to your playlist. Scroll down and you'll find the shuffle and repeat buttons. Free users cannot access the shuffle button. It's only available for premium users. To adjust the volume, tap on this icon here. You can increase or decrease the media volume from here. And by tapping on the center button, you can connect and stream the music from other Bluetooth devices. Like see, here I've connected my Galaxy Watch to my Marshall speaker. And I can play music on it.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up.
We not acting motherfuckers that care about us.
I can also connect my earbuds and enjoy my favorite music while running or exercising. I like how the Galaxy Watch gives you the option to play music through the connected devices as well as directly through the watch speaker. I also noticed that even while the Galaxy Watch is disconnected from my smartphone, I can control the Spotify music playback on the phone, as long as both devices have active internet connection. By swiping left, you will see the home page, where you can see your saved playlists, podcasts, and popular recommendations for you. Just open any playlist and tap on the play button to start streaming it. Remember, you can only access the songs or playlists that you have saved on your Spotify mobile app, or what the Spotify recommends to you. You don't get the option to search for songs on your Galaxy Watch, regardless of whether you have a premium account or a free account. However, if you have a free Spotify account, then you cannot choose to play the song of your choice from here. You'll need to skip to the track from Media Controller. But if you choose to play any podcast, then you get the option to choose the chapter or episode. But remember, it'll start playing it from the beginning and you cannot access the media timeline. However, premium Spotify users can choose to play any track from their saved playlist, and they also get the option to download their favorite playlist on the watch for offline listening. But don't worry, even if you don't have a premium Spotify account, you can still download music on your Galaxy Watch for offline listening. To learn how to do that, tap on the I button. You can scroll all the way to the bottom and you'll see the settings. Here, you'll find the downloads and audio quality option, and on the bottom, there's the logout button. Another left swipe will take you to the library section. Here, you'll see 5 options: downloads, playlist, podcast, artist, and album. The download section will show you all your downloaded playlists. The playlist section will show you all your saved playlists on your Spotify account, and the same for the podcast. The artist section will let you discover some pre-made playlist of your favorite artist, and the album section will show you your saved albums. And that's about all that you can do with Spotify on a Galaxy Watch. If you enjoyed watching this video or found it informative, then hit that like button, smash subscribe, and let me know in the comments whether you are a premium Spotify user or not. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Till then, take care and goodbye.